Ever wondered how to clean a pizza stone properly? Well, it's not as daunting as it might seem. Here's a simple and effective method to clean your beloved pizza stone, ensuring it's ready for your next pizza making session. First and foremost, always allow the stone to cool completely after use. Trying to clean a hot stone could lead to damage, not to mention the risk of burning yourself. Once the stone is cool, it's time to remove any excess debris. Using a spatula or a plastic scraper, gently scrape off any remaining food or residue. Remember, treat your stone with care to avoid any unnecessary scratches. Next, it's time to brush off any loose residue. A dry brush or cloth works perfectly for this task. This pre-cleaning step ensures that the stone is ready for a more thorough cleaning. Now, what about those stubborn stains or stuck-on bits of food? A damp cloth or sponge is your best friend here. But hold on, avoid using soap or detergent, as these can be absorbed by the stone and can potentially ruin the taste of future pizzas. You might be tempted to use water, but think twice before you do. Pizza stones are porous and can absorb water, which can lead to cracking or other damage when subjected to high heat. So it's best to avoid water unless it's absolutely necessary. Once you've cleaned your stone, it's a good idea to season it. Seasoning not only enhances its non-stick properties, but also improves its overall performance. To do this, preheat the oven to the highest temperature recommended for your stone. You can usually find this in the manufacturer's instructions. Then place the clean and dry stone in the oven for about an hour. This process helps to burn off any remaining residues and helps to create a natural non-stick surface. Finally, store your stone properly. Once it's cooled and been seasoned, keep it in a clean and dry place to avoid any potential damage. Remember, pizza stones can develop a seasoned or seasoning patina over time, which can actually enhance the flavor and texture of your pizzas. So avoid using soap or harsh chemicals that can strip away this seasoning. If you find that your stone is heavily stained or has a significant buildup of residue, you may need to use a more intensive cleaning method. And there you have it, a clean pizza stone ready for its next culinary adventure. Happy pizza making!